Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is compact infrared module enhances drone thermal imaging. What if drones could see clearly in total darkness? A compact infrared module delivers high-performance imaging without increasing size, weight or power demands. Linred introduces Argo SL, a new generation compact infrared detector for drones. Linred has introduced Argo SL, a compact mid-wave infrared detector module designed to deliver high-performance thermal imaging for drones and other size, weight and power-constrained defense platforms. Engineered for tactical environments, the turnkey mid-wave infrared (MWIR) module targets applications where visibility is compromised by fog, smoke, or complete darkness. As drone-based systems become central to inspection and surveillance missions, the need for reliable imaging without increasing platform weight or power consumption has become a critical design challenge. The sensor addresses this by combining full-band infrared performance with a compact architecture suited for modern unmanned and soldier-borne systems. At the core of the module is a Type II superlattice focal plane array operating at 130 Kelvin, covering the MWIR midwave infrared red band from 3.7 to 4.8 micrometers. This extended spectral range improves signal-to-noise ratio and enhances image robustness in degraded environments compared to narrower band solutions. The detector delivers VGA video graphics array resolution at 640 by 512 pixels with a 15 micrometer pixel pitch, while maintaining power consumption at approximately 4 watts, enabling integration into sub-6-inch gimbal systems for tactical UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles. A key advantage lies in its ability to balance performance with strict swap size, weight, and power constraints. The compact design supports longer mission durations without increasing battery capacity, while also enabling deployment across multiple platforms including handheld and wearable systems. Integration is further simplified through the plug-up platform, which standardizes interfaces and reduces development effort for OEMs, allowing faster time to market and improved system reliability. An advanced thermal imager version is also available, incorporating image processing features such as non-uniformity correction, bad pixel replacement, denoising, destriping, and color mapping, reducing the need for additional software development at the system level. Hervé Bouaziz, executive president of Linred, says, Argo SL extends further the company's MWIR midwave infrared portfolio with a new family of T2SL3V red band, high operating temperature detectors to deliver high performance for demanding defense applications. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.